Namaskar. This video has been prepared by Shri Vidyasagar Public School, Khategaon, District Devas, MP to demonstrate compliances with the instructions outlined by the CBSE in the permission letter for shifting the school campus. Through this video, we present a detailed walkthrough of all the steps undertaken by the school to meet these requirements and ensure adherence to the highest standards. Point 1. Total section and undertaking. The school ensure that the total number of sections remains limited to 13 as instructed by the CBSE. In case of any future increase in the section or classes, proper approval will be obtained from the board. An undertaking in this regard has been uploaded on the Saras portal as proof of compliances. Land certificate. The school has uploaded the updated land certificate with the date of issuance. This updated certificate has been submitted on the Saras portal, verifying that the school possesses adequate land and infrastructure as required by the CBSE norms. All the science laboratories including composite science lab, physics lab, chemistry lab and biology lab have been upgraded to meet CBSE SOP standards. Proper storage facilities have been provided and additional equipments has been installed to ensure smooth functioning. This video showcases the enhanced features and resources now available in each laboratory. Mathematics laboratory. The mathematics laboratory has been improved with adequate seating arrangements and additional learning aids and kits. Compared to the previous inspection, the lab is now more resourceful and well equipped to provide a better learning experience for the students. Library. The school library has been significantly enhanced with the addition of 4 new almirahs containing approximately 1200 new books. This brings the total number of books to over 4000 up to the previously available 2800 books. This upgrade ensures ample resources for both students and teachers. Playground facilities. The playground facility at the school have been further developed. Outdoor games such as Kho-Kho, volleyball, Kabaddi and badminton have been introduced, ensuring students have access to physical activities. This video highlights the upgraded playground and the games introduced. Boundary wall. The school has a complete boundary wall surrounding the premises. This video provides a detailed view of the complete boundary wall, showcasing the structure of the boundary wall and ensuring that the safety of the campus. teachers' salary and bank statements. The bank statements for the last 6 months along with the salary details of October and November 2024 have been uploaded on the Saras portal. This video highlights the transparency and accountability in maintaining these records. Teachers training. The majority of teachers at the school have undergone mandatory training programs. Additionally, on December 8th, the large scale training session will be held in collaboration with COE Bhopal, involving approximately 40 teachers from our school and neighboring schools. Further details of these training program have also been uploaded on the portal. Sir, this video serves as evidence of Sri Vidyasagar Public School commitment to adhering to all CBSE guidelines and fulfilling every requirement mentioned in the permission letter. By implementing these changes, the school has ensured an enhanced and compliant environment for its students and staff. We thank you for reviewing this submission. Thank you very much.